Hey guys, today we are going to be making a YouTube video unboxing, and so I got stuff at Target, and I really want to show you. And some of the stuff I got, but some of it is something that you guys are gonna be. So I got a Kinder Egg. Some of you don't like it, and it's fine. And I got a toothbrush, but I don't need a toothbrush. But I got one anyway, and I got a toothbrush, which I already opened, but it's in my bathroom right now. It's an Elwood, and then I got this, guys. It's like a little country. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys because I wanted to open that, but in the car. So let's see what we are unboxing. So first we unboxing an LOL pet, Hubba Bubba, no, and MC Spark. So I'm gonna start with, I think I'm gonna start with the pet. So it says, I like to rip off all the tape. I don't know if I think I did. Yeah, I think I did tell you guys that. If you're new here, hi guys. And guys, I am also on TikTok trying to have a account. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I see. Okay, guys, let's read it. Man, okay, I haven't opened up these in a long time, so guys, I need to see this. She's adorable. I mean, just look at her. She's so cute. Is that what she looks like? I didn't see. I hope. Because she's just adorable, like a cute little kitty. I think she is a kitty. I don't know. I think I want her to be a dog. So guys, she got a little kitty stand. Oh, good doggy. I'm a doggy. She smells like things. I'm surprised. Come on. Why is this so hard? Why would she be coming up with this? I have no idea what that is. Guys, comment down below if you know what this is. If I know it, I forgot the name of it. Sorry guys, I had to go to the bathroom. So let's keep on opening. She has cute little shoes. No, I think they're boots. I'm trying to show you guys. They're all the same. They have like a little heel. Okay, she loves gold, I can tell. And I love gold. So I actually like this. I was going to get a LOL surprise though. But then once I saw this, I was like, oh, I have to get her. I do not like the clothes. Okay. Guys, they're always so hard to get on. Okay, and this comes. Wait, is this a nice surprise bag? No. If I already opened them, I'm putting them right there. Okay, so is this what I get for excuse? Where's the radio? So like, guys, this is what I get. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you the ones I already have. So guys, so I have this one, and I have this one. I did one. And I have this one, of course. Let's wait this card open. So she's supposed to. True. I wish I knew like what this is.
I think any headache stuff because I'll have people on it that are in my way. I just don't bother with this. It's good. I mean, the place is getting packed in there.
Guys, this is super. You know what? We're gonna come back to this. Okay. So let's go ahead and start opening the next one.
When we get in there, people are just coming in.
First, I like to cut up
So I
both.
didn't get a watermelon. I don't cut that up when I get back. You know, and the bananas. Well, thanks for cleaning up the house and stuff.
Wait, am I doing it? Wait, I think I'm doing it. I never opened these before. Oh, I'm doing this, I think. Guys, am I doing this? This is weird. I can't tell. It's just super hard. First, let's get that off and swing it off. Let's get all the tape off. That's I'm not going to adjust right now. I'm going to adjust a little. And if you guys had to take a break for a second, this is what she looks like again. This is what my Roblox avatar looks like. It's just the same skin. And guys, by the way, I play Roblox, so if you ever want to be my friend on Roblox, my username is Jenny Bear. Something else. I know it's just Jenny Bear. And I am a girl, by the way. Yeah, look at it. And I played Roblox like every morning. Or every afternoon. So I have camp.
She is a very happy girl.
And
She's telling the world about it right now.
so this is very hard to open.
Yeah, so
You can hear my parents talking.
on Saturdays. It used to be open from.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
You gotta.
No, she put that on. I wore that all the way to the, you know, I had it on. I wore it. Hey kid, I wore this all the way through Target.
I know. Sorry about that, guys. I put a stick on my dad. And he wore it as a hat. And if you saw me, that's at Target. I'm fine. Because I don't need to be rich. I just need love. I need things to make me happy. So, what I'm absolutely doing is what I'm thinking I am doing now. And I don't know now. I'm seriously, I'm really confused right now. I didn't read the instructions, guys. So, okay, how am I gonna do this? Tape, course tape. You guys, my birthday was made the 4th floor. Now I'm 7. And I really like being 7. I feel like I'm like a teenager. So I cannot read all this. This is about to. Why does it show Royal B? I want to feel her hair. And guys, I got the big swap, but I have no idea what she is. Guys, right now, why does it have to make these so difficult? What's the deal? Making these difficult. Ugh! What tape? I might have to ask my dad, but I don't want to ask him. And by the way, this is. Did I just cut my? I'm fine to cut my hair, but I don't want it. I don't want it to be bald. almost popped the head off. Guys, comment down below if you opened these before. Swag does not have this kind of hair. Maybe they want to do something now. No, good. Guys, I tried to not like it. She looks like a boy, not a girl. And I have lost my mini swag. So this is gonna have to be the mini swag. But she is crazy. Thank you TT Toys for expiring these videos. And Cupcake Squad, I appreciate it. And that guy too with the wigs. And us twins. Ooh. I forgot the name of them, but they're amazing. And I watched OMGs. Nice. And big shout out goes to Nick and Zoe. They have got 2 million subscribers. Tell me.
Andrea, you need some food. What do you
Okay.
want?
Mom, I'm making a YouTube video.
Right. What do you want to eat, though?
Mini muffins.
Okay.
And here's so funny. Guys, what they did with the hair, like these things are not put it.
No. Turn that off. Look at the mess.
And her hair is super fun. Okay, so let's keep on opening. My mom was just mad at me.
Grab a mini muffins.
Scooby Snacks.
I can make you waffles.
Sure, waffles is fine. My mom is very strict right now.
Sorry.
What?
I'm sorry that I interrupted you.
It's fine. Okay, guys, so she was doing like, why does she have this mini stand? She's so big. Okay, she only has one piece. Oh, she still has more dry, so maybe there's an extra piece. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it raised. I don't know. Guys, I'm mini so she's like a mini brand right now. I draw a miniature mini brand. Her stuff is just tiny, like a mini brand. Okay. Small. So everything is super small. Oh, I found funny guys. I think I choose another dressing room. I got everything at $100. But I guess I thought they were like the same, but they're really different. If I look at you, they're nice things. I mean the OMG girls and LS That's good. Very long. Sure. Mom, the oven went off. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Did I just do it? Guys, always listen to the directions. Okay, that's what Cupcake Squad says. Do not do it. So listen to the instructions. Okay, she's full of money too. So let's get. Oh my! Flipping baloney! These are mini hangers. What? This is so tiny. But it's adorable. Sometimes I try to rip and see if I'm strong, and sometimes I'm not. I just can't. This is this cute little wrapping paper. I like it. Okay, I just need to sit it away from my hands. But yeah. Oh, I think these are gonna be the hands now. Yep, I was correct. Okay, tiny. Yeah. I can't tween. Put tween. I can't read that. Like sometimes I can't really read. Soda pop. She comes with what? These are crazy shoes that I am seeing right now. Let's see what size she is. 3-1. 12 for it. I think that's it. I forgot. I forget what these onlys. I mean the LL size. What should I say onlys? But I'm not leaving you guys. You guys are gorgeous. So, and handsome if you're not watching this. Okay. Oh, I've seen this phone before on YouTube. I think this is called Cookies Will See. Yeah, I watch Cookies Will See. Guys, and if you're wondering what my show says, it's Go Blues. And big shout out goes to Cookies Will See. Make more OMG videos. I love them. Wait, I can't tell. I think that's a necklace. Is that? I can't see. Is it? I didn't know what the pack was. Yep, that's a necklace. So it's just the boot. The boots make her taller. I'm guessing. Jesus. I don't like it how this part if I had to shave. So I'm gonna try to do something with her hair to not make it shaved. A little bit of that. Put a little bit of that on here. Now that's cute. But yeah, so she is beautiful now. What I'm looking at. So I'm thinking like, is this like should be her like play area or something? Like her bed. I think that should be her bed. I'm gonna keep this. I like keeping stuff. From dolls. She likes money. Okay, so. But guys, I still have my OMG boy. My LL one. Guys, and I still have swag, but I just don't know what she is. And by the way, guys, I'm eating waffles because I haven't had breakfast, so it'll be straight waffle lunch. It's just amazing. I eat this like everywhere. I know I'm not good for you, but it's good. My mom puts peanut butter on so it can be healthy. So I can have these like every single night. I eat them like every single night and every single time. My mom she makes them into the sandwiches, and my dad. That way it can be cute and the peanut butter can stick together and my hands won't get messy. And I appreciate it because that way I feel it's like good. And tea is even better than how it used. Like at first, they used to ask me, do you want peanut butter news? And then I would usually say, no. Sometimes I would say no, sometimes I say yes. But now they always do it, and that makes me even funner. So, let's have to go back. Okay guys, here she is. She is beautiful. She is her cell phone. I seen this on Cookie Cookies, so hashtag good. And TikToks. I am on TikTok and I have a free account, so go follow me. Bob Freddy, Patrick Dodd, Patrick Dodd. So here she is. She's about right there. She got a little soda pop. And I'm gonna go dress this one. Beautiful. And guys, I forgot to show you her hat. There she is. So this is her actually forward. Gore, the gourd is amazing. I'm in my shirt says, Go Blues. Okay guys, so this is the best I can get her. My dad tried it and I tried it, but I didn't ask my mom because I know she couldn't get it. And so she doesn't have what she's on because I was here there. Isn't she as it is? Isn't she has these sunglasses? I am, and then she has this water bottle. Yeah. And yo. And like I said, I just love this. Change this color. This is beautiful. I picked her because I liked her. It's one of my favorite clothes. And here she is from. And bye guys. See you tomorrow. I don't know. Oh yeah, and I got bubblegum gum. Bubblegum. I got bum yum. Bubblegum. Bubblegum yum. Bubblegum yum. So yeah, guys, I'll see you. Think about it. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Soon? I seriously don't know. Make sure you go to follow me on TikTok. Bye. And better way go watch my YouTube tonight.